Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Spanish books is probably one of the most effective ways to immerse yourself in the language. From textbooks that lay the foundation to novels that bring the language to life, the right books can significantly boost your vocabulary, grammar, and overall comprehension. In this video, we'll explore some of the top Spanish learning books available, helping you find the perfect resources to accelerate your language learning journey. Number 5. Easy Spanish Step by Step. Are you ready to learn Spanish? This program makes it easy. It breaks down the language into simple, manageable steps. The program uses a step-by-step approach. It guides you through the fundamentals of Spanish grammar and vocabulary. With each step, you'll build a strong foundation. This will help you to speak, read, and write in Spanish with confidence. The lessons are designed to be easy to follow. You'll find yourself progressing quickly and enjoying the learning process. Don't wait any longer to learn Spanish. This program is your key to unlocking a new language and culture. Start your journey today. What we like. This book breaks down Spanish into manageable steps, making it perfect for beginners. It provides a solid base in grammar and vocabulary. If you are just starting your Spanish journey and want a structured learning experience, you should consider this one. What people say. Great Workbook provides all the basics needed for a beginner learner. This book is just short of 300 pages, and it somehow manages to find that middle ground of teaching complete intermediate Spanish, without being overwhelming. Vocabulary words are carefully chosen and presented to fit together into sentences to cover a huge range of most common situations. Number 4. Easy Spanish Phrase Book New Edition. This book is designed to help you learn Spanish quickly. It contains over 700 phrases for everyday use, making it perfect for beginners. With this book, you'll have access to a wide range of useful phrases. It covers various topics, from greetings to ordering food. The phrases in this book are practical and relevant to daily life. You can use them in various situations, whether you're traveling or just want to communicate with Spanish speakers. It is part of the Dover Language Guide series, known for its clear and concise approach. This guide provides a solid foundation for your Spanish language journey. This new edition is updated to provide the most relevant phrases. It's a great resource for anyone looking to improve their Spanish communication skills. What we like. This phrasebook equips you with over 700 essential phrases for daily interactions. It focuses on practical, real-world conversations. If you are looking for a quick reference guide for travel or basic communication, it's a great choice. What people say. Simple sentences and phrases. Focus on travel and simple conversation. Nice phonetic explanation with each sentence or phrase. Handy to have in your bag when traveling, useful phrases and helps you pronounce them by breaking down the word to the sounding. Number 3. MADRIGAL'S Magic Key to Spanish. Are you ready to learn Spanish? This program offers a creative and proven approach to language learning. It's designed to make the process engaging and effective. This method uses innovative techniques to help you grasp the fundamentals. It focuses on making learning fun and memorable, so you can retain information easily. The program has a track record of success, helping countless learners achieve fluency. It provides a structured path to language mastery, ensuring steady progress. With this key, you'll gain the confidence to speak, read, and write in Spanish. It's a comprehensive program that covers all aspects of the language. Begin your Spanish language adventure today. This is your gateway to a new language and culture. Start learning and open up a world of possibilities. What we like. This book uses a unique, creative method to help you memorize Spanish vocabulary and grammar. It makes learning fun and memorable. If you like a more engaging and less traditional learning style, you should definitely choose it. What people say. The author of this book uses a very interesting method to help you quickly learn Spanish. What she does is teach the reader how to add hundreds and hundreds of Spanish words to his or her vocabulary by simply using the English words that you already know. In addition to showing the reader that he or she already knows many Spanish words because there are so many English words that are spelled the same and that have the same meaning, the author also shows how the reader can take many English words that he or she already knows and convert them into Spanish words just by making small changes in the words. Number 2. Complete Spanish Workbook for Kids, Grades 1 to 3. This workbook is designed for kids in grades 1 to 3 to learn basic Spanish. It covers essential vocabulary and fundamental concepts. It's a great way for them to start their Spanish language journey. Inside, you'll find lessons on the alphabet, numbers, and colors. The workbook helps children build a strong foundation in Spanish vocabulary. They will learn to recognize and use these words effectively. The workbook also introduces parts of speech and common expressions. This helps them understand how sentences are constructed and how to communicate effectively. It makes learning Spanish fun and engaging. It includes lessons on dates and even some songs to help with memorization. This workbook provides a comprehensive approach to learning Spanish. It's a fun and interactive way to learn. The workbook comes with Spanish learning cards. These cards are a great tool for reinforcing what they've learned. They can use them for practice and review anytime, anywhere. What we like. This workbook makes learning Spanish fun for kids with engaging activities. It covers a wide range of topics, from basic vocabulary to songs. If you have children who are just starting to learn Spanish, it is an excellent choice. What people say. The book is well organized and easy to follow. The explanations are clear and concise. The book includes a variety of exercises and activities to help reinforce learning. Number 1. Carson Dellosa Spanish Workbook for Middle and High School. This workbook from Carson Dellosa is designed to help students excel in Spanish. It provides comprehensive practice and activities for middle and high school students. It's perfect for both classroom and homeschool settings. Inside, you'll find a variety of exercises to reinforce language learning. The book covers essential grammar, vocabulary, and conversational skills. It's a great tool to build a strong foundation in Spanish. Whether in a traditional classroom or at home, this workbook is a valuable resource. The activities are engaging and easy to follow. It's a flexible tool that adapts to different learning environments. With this workbook, students can improve their Spanish proficiency. The exercises are aligned with curriculum standards. It helps students build confidence and achieve academic success. Get your copy of this Spanish workbook and start your language learning journey. It's a practical and effective way to learn Spanish. It will help you to succeed in your studies. What we like. This workbook is designed to help middle and high school students succeed in Spanish. It offers practice activities and is suitable for both classroom and homeschool use. If you are looking for a workbook that aligns with school curriculum, you should consider it. What people say. It has the pronunciation of the alphabet, numbers and fractional ordinals, telling time, little games and a glossary and answer key in the back. The pages are perforated and easy to photocopy if you want multiple chances to practice without using up the page on the first try. Has logical progression of information, well organized. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.